BMW Motorrad unveils its latest design masterpiece, the BMW R20 concept. This motorcycle celebrates the highest craftsmanship and presents itself as the epitome of expressive and cool design, refined down to the last detail. The R20's styling combines retro cues with a modern touch. The aluminium tank is brand new design, painted with a hotter than pink color. The classic circular headlights consist of an LED daytime running light mounted to a 3D printed aluminium ring with the main headlight unit floating right in the center. Meanwhile, the taillight is integrated into the back of the single seat, which is upholstered in a quilted Alcantara and fine-grade leather. The chassis has been completely redeveloped and with a black double-loop main frame made of chrome-molybdenum steel tubes forms the backbone, with the black disc wheel at 17 into 6.25 inches at the rear, on which a tire of the dimension 255 is mounted, and a 17-inch spoke wheel with black spokes and the tire dimension 120/70 at the front. The BMW R20 concept combines tradition and modernity. The proven BMW paralever has been executed in a new two-arm variant in which the swing arm is made of chrome-molybdenum steel and a paralever strut is made of aluminium. The kinematics are designed so that the drive torque is completely balanced. The two milled aluminium rear axle carriers are another high-quality detail. The exposed drive shaft, conceptually adopted from the R18, the visual highlight of the well-known R18 models, has been shortened for the integration into the Roadster architecture. As suspension elements, fully adjustable all-ins backline components work at the front and rear. The basic vehicle geometry has a steering head angle of 62.5 degrees as well as a wheelbase of 1550 mm. Radially mounted brake calipers from ISR at the front and rear take care of the deceleration with 6 pistons at the front and 4 pistons per brake caliper at the rear. Additionally, the 2-in-2 exhaust system delivers the appropriate sound character and perfectly completes the design. The centerpiece of the BMW R20 concept continues to be air oil-cooled big boxer engine, now with a displacement of 2000 cc. For the concept bike, new cylinder head covers, a new belt cover and a new oil cooler were developed in order to be able to mount the oil pipes partially hidden. A special highlight is the side view. The eye follows the path of the air as it flows through the open intake funnels into the throttle bodies and cylinders before escaping through the open exhaust system and the tailpipes in megaphone design, creating the typical big boxer sound.